Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And this video is mainly for one person. They sent me an email of an image and he said something about blue line and you can see a red line. So that was kind of my key of what's going on. And even though I tried the yellow box trick, it all looks transparent. But there's evidently two sets of lines there. So I just clicked on the item and drug it away. And you can see the blue line. It's not really there. It's a line that doesn't have a line. It's invisible. So that's what your problem was. You had two sets on top of here. And even if you did, let's put it back. Always the best way to do it, Smart Fill tool, fill it in, move the Smart Fill tool out of the way. You still got those two copies, but this one only has one, because it's only going to fill in the shape of your item. You still got this ghost, but all it really is, it's a outline without any color in it. So that's what the problem is. So whenever you have something like that won't weld and won't do a lot of things, if you use a Smart Fill tool, all the Smart Fill tool does is fill in the blanks with a fill, and then you take the fill away and add your outline. And it's welded, it's clean, everything else looks good. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.